Okay, faceless Instagram theme pages are making thousands of dollars every month without showing their face, without recording themselves, and all using AI. There are pages right now pulling in $11,900 per month just posting content made by tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and CapCut. And in this free full course, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to build one from scratch. No followers, no experience, just your phone and a little consistency. Let's dive in. So what exactly is a faceless theme page? Simple. It's an Instagram page built around content, not personality. You're not the brand, your niche is. Think motivational quotes, luxury lifestyle, fitness reels, or tech facts. You never show your face. You just use content, often reposted or better, generated with AI, and automate the entire process. Now let's pick a niche that not only goes viral, but makes money. You want a niche where advertisers, sponsors, and affiliate links have high payouts. Here's a quick list. High-income niches, motivation or mindset, business and entrepreneurship, books and quotes, luxury lifestyle, AI and tech facts. Still confused? Just ask ChatGPT. Give me 10 profitable Instagram niches with high CPM and sponsor potential. Boom, done. Now we need a powerful name, logo, and bio. Here's the AI stack I use. Use ChatGPT. For name ideas, use namelix.com. For aesthetic usernames, use Canva Pro. For logo and story highlight icons, use ChatGPT again. For a short, catchy bio. Now the fun part, making content without ever filming anything. To make reels, you have two options. Option 1, use ChatGPT to find viral topics, then make scripts from it. Use story blocks to get free B-roll videos. Use 11 Labs to make AI voice. Just copy-paste your script into 11 Labs, get the voice, drag that into CapCut with a B-roll, and done. You've got a reel. Or you can add your voice. Now, at the last, you have use CapCut or any other editing software to edit, combine, and to add captions. Option 2, you can purchase a trending reel bundle which matches with your niche. Now, the question is, what are the benefits? 1, saves time. Creating engaging reels from scratch takes hours. A bundle gives you ready-made editable templates so you can post in minutes, not days. 2, professional quality. Most people don't have the design skills or editing tools to make scroll-stopping content. A reel bundle provides aesthetic, viral-style visuals made by pros. 3, boosts engagement and growth. These reels are strategically designed to grab attention, increase shares, and go viral, which means more followers, reach, and brand visibility. 4, consistency equals growth. Posting consistently is key. With a bundle, you get weeks' worth of content, keeping your page active and algorithm-friendly. 5, great for personal brands and businesses. Whether you're a content creator, coach, small business owner, or theme page admin, these reels help you sell, promote, and grow. 6, AI plus trends equals smart strategy. Many bundles now include AI-generated scripts, trendy hooks, and editable captions, keeping you ahead of the trend and making it easy for beginners. 7, one-time investment, long-term use. Instead of paying a video editor every time, a bundle is a budget-friendly way to have premium content at your fingertips forever. 8, bonus materials. Many bundles offer content calendars, hooks, trending audios, captions, and more, making your content creation stress-free. Now, the most important thing that everyone forgets is to add thumbnail to the reel. How a thumbnail makes your reel better. 1, grabs attention, makes people stop scrolling. 2, creates curiosity, makes them want to watch. 3, tells the topic, shows what the reel is about. 4, builds your brand, makes your page look professional. 5, boosts views. More clicks equals more reach and followers. How your thumbnail should be. 1, big, bold text, 3 to 4 words. Write something eye-catching like, earn 10,000 daily, crazy AI tool, must try this, before versus after. 2, use bright colors. Use colors like yellow, red, white on black background. Make it bright so it stands out. 3, show something interesting. Show money, mobile screen, tool, or transformation. Something that tells a story without watching. 4, no messy design. Keep it simple. Only one focus point, text plus one image or icon. 5. Make text easy to read. Use clear, thick fonts. Make sure text is visible even in small size. Now we chose a niche, made a theme page, knows to make reels and thumbnails. Now what we have to do is to upload it. But the problem is, nobody have time or can remain consistent for a longer time. So the solution is, you need to schedule your content. Use these tools, Metricool or Repurpose.io, batch 30 reels in a weekend, schedule them for 2 weeks, and your page runs on autopilot. Now the best part comes, ways to earn through theme pages. Brand sponsorships. Get paid by companies to promote their products on your page. Shoutouts and promotions. Charge money to promote other pages, reels, or businesses. 3. Affiliate marketing. Share product links like Amazon and earn a commission for every sale. 4. Sell your own products. Launch digital products, ebooks, guides, or physical items via dropshipping. 5. Paid guides or courses. Teach others how to grow or monetize theme pages and sell it. 6. UGC, user-generated content. Brands pay you to make reels or posts for them using your style. 7. Page management for clients. Handle theme pages for others and charge monthly fees. 8. Sell theme pages. Grow pages and sell them to brands or individuals. Can charge $5K to $1L plus depending on followers and engagement. Now let's get traffic. Use these growth tips for better results. 3 reels per day equals 90 per month. Use trending audio in CapCut. Include 3-second hook text in reels. Engage for 30 minutes daily, likes, DMs, comments. Your goal should be 10K followers in 60 days. $500 to $2,000 per month at 10K plus if monetized well. Let me show you examples of pages doing this successfully. They post AI-made carousels and reels and get hundreds of thousands of views. It's not overnight, but in 60 to 90 days, you'll have built a page that can print money every month. You now have a complete roadmap to create an $11,900 a month faceless Instagram page using AI. So stop scrolling, start creating, and remember, consistency is bigger than perfection. And subscribe for more content like this.